So I have to open this coconut with one of these tools I have on the table.
I'm ready. Okay. Let's do this.
I broke the ball. I'm so sorry I broke the ball. Maybe this could work. Okay. I wish I listened to my dad when he tried to teach me how to open coconuts. This could be good. Can someone help me?
I feel like Thor right now. So scary. I'm gonna break the table. I'm not gonna open the coconut.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
It's not working.
Maybe the small one is better. Oh, it's working. It's working.
Again, I'm gonna try to not hurt myself.
Yeah. Woo. Nailed it. Yeah! Ta-da!
Okay, you know, I just can't do it. If I'm alone on an island, I'll just die. Okay.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.